Going. Let's get it going. Where is the music? Let's see. Let's go with. Actually, let's go back to Avorion here, and we'll open. I turn that down. Okay, cool. Well, I started working on the game offline, and I thought I was just going to do little stuff, but I'm going to do some pretty big stuff, I guess. So, we're just working on the game. How's it going? Okay, so we're looking at the block init data here. It's only called 3 times. Initialization, when the player lands on a planet, and then when the what was the other time? Hold on. Let me search for that. Hold up on. And, oh yeah, when the slider is used. Okay, so when the slider is used, we definitely want to, excuse me. So let's see what we can do here because, excuse me. So the slider will be 2, okay. When we just hit B to land on it, that'll be 1. And then when we initialize, where's the do class inits? Yeah, hold on. So in here we'll do 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So then we'll go into the blocks.
Overt here said, sup.
Hey dude, what's up? Was I drunk last time you were watching my stream? I apologize. I was having too much fun. How you doing? How you doing? I'm sober now. In fact, I'm on too much coffee, so. So then when we do the initial.
Overt here said, I'm good.
Cool. Well, welcome to the stream. How you doing? How you doing? Okay, so what we're going to do here is I started working on this and I thought I better put it on stream because I might actually want to do a bunch of stuff. So the variable t, parameter t, okay, 0 is first init, just to get things going. Doesn't even matter, okay? T equals 1. That was, hold on. 1 was the B, when the player lands on a planet. So what we should do here is we really only need a boolean. We need a boolean for the planet is already initialized. The first init doesn't actually init. It just gets the system ready for the player to land on a planet. And then when the player actually lands, what happens is the Voronoi kicks in, the Perlin noise kicks in, the terrain parameters are input. Okay, so it lands on the planet. And then t equals 2. The player uses the slider, which in this case is just for me, and we're probably not going to include that in the game. I don't really know. Okay. So the whole point of this is I wanted to go into, let's go, I'll show you again. I'll show you again. I'll show myself again, really. Show me again. Computer. Full compilation. Did I change that much? You've changed so much. We have to come, oh. Okay. Okay, so here we, oh, this is a cool planet. Look at this one. Got little boobies everywhere. Sorry. We got boobs everywhere. Alright. So I hit the B, and it moves stuff around. Okay, now the reason for that is because when I'm in here, and I hit the B key, it uses the 1. Okay. So let's go into here and see what we can do. So when it's the first init, we want to do everything, right? Because if t is 1, actually, if t is 0, we want to do this. We'll randomize the noise div, randomize this. Okay, why are we even doing this, though, I'm wondering? I don't think we ever need these. I don't know why I use those. So we're going to take those out. Just in general, we're taking those out. So if t is 0, we want to do initialization. That's fine. So if the player's landing on it, then we're going to use the terrain parameters. Or if we've used the terrain slider, then that's fine. So 1 or 2 will go into here. Okay. See, we'll take these out. Okay, still make it look nice, even though it goes off the screen. Okay, so when do we want to do this? We want to do this when t is 0, doesn't matter. T is 1, we do this. If t is 2, the terrain slider, same thing. So when t is 1, what we need to do so if t is 0 or t is 2, we get, okay, alright, hold on, we're going to add a boolean. Current planet index. Okay, we're going to add a boolean here. Let's go boolean. Let's just say planet configured. And we'll initially start out false. Okay, so then when we call that function, the init function, if t is equal to 0, we will also set the planet configured equal to false. Now that's going to start out at false, so we're really kind of whatever, but yeah. Oops. Alright. Okay, when t is equal to 1, let's go right here. If t equals 1, okay. And if it's false, then we want to do this. Okay, but we want to do this anyways if t equals 0 or t equals 2. So we want to do if that, or, and then we'll add that too. Okay. So if it's either of these, or t equals 1 and planet not configured. Now is that right? If it's 0 or 2, if either 1 is true, wait, so if it's 1, that first one is false, so the or will not be satisfied. So if t equals 1 and planet not configured, then we do that. Okay. So if it's 0 or 2, we'll do this. If it's 1, only if it's not configured. Okay. And then after we do this with 0 or 2, planet configured equals true. Well, Jeff. So then when it's 1, it'll only do that. Well, okay, let's see if that works. I don't know.
Overt here said, well done.
Well done. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know yet. Okay, so hit B. Uh-oh. It didn't do it. Let me try it again. I know it technically shouldn't. See, I'm not seeing anything. So So when it starts out, configured is false. So if it's 1, computer, it should go through here, right? Alright, I'm pretty sure it goes through here. Let's just... You know, I don't know. What do you do? Oh, just %D? Ah, okay, %D. Alright, it's gonna write an essay on that. So what is this one? This one is the else. Wait, okay, let's just run that. So after loop T00, else T11, okay, so when T is 1, it doesn't enter the loop. So what am I doing wrong? So if T is 1, and not planet configured. Wait, 1 is true? What? Go back. Here it's false, here it's true. Else T11. So how come it gets to be true? Because the only time it's set true is right there, but it doesn't actually do the initialization? After loop. Because I don't actually see this one showing false. It only showed these. So when it goes 0. Oh, wait a minute. If T equals 1. There you go. So only if T equals 1 do we set planet configured equal to true. Okay. Or 2? Maybe it's with 2, but that's with the terrain slider and I'm not really using that anymore. There we go. So then if I hit B, okay, it doesn't do it. That's what I was trying to do. So when I can spam the B key and it's good now. Woohoo! Okay, we're good. So wait, what if we use the slider? I bet you I've messed up the slider. Okay, so this is cool. Hit the B key, that's fine. So slider 5 right here, okay. Oh no, it works. Oh, the slider works better. The slider works better, look at that. Dude, that is so sweet looking. Oh my god, that's cool. That's what I wanted it to look like before. That's what I wanted to, okay, that's cool. We need to have a mechanic to allow the use of the slider, because that's cool as you know what. Enter your playful explicative. Bum, bum. Okay, that's really good. I'm loving that. So we're going up a level. Hold on. We're writing that one down. I come up with a bunch of new ideas. I wrote them down. So is this 141, 151? Okay, good. What day are we at here? August 6th, 2023. I really like that. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so this particular set right here. Fixed voxel world generation. And slider is really cool now. That's all I can say about it. Okay, alright. Bum 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 bum. 238 we're gonna bump up to. Class planets we're gonna bump up. Just in case we're not gonna break anything. 142. Boom. Just waiting for something else to happen here. Okay, so this one, file save as 238. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. 237. Add. Excuse me. Bum, bum, bum. Well, save as. Bum, 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 bum. What is this song from? Particle. Oh, this is all from Avorion. Okay, that's the space game. The space game. Okay. Alright, make sure we didn't break it. Full compilation, whatever you want to do, go for it. I love that slider now. That's fun. That's fun to play with. Let's go into here. Let's go up and away here for a second. Because it moves so smooth. I think the reason that looks really nice is because it doesn't reset the Voronoi. It doesn't reset the Voronoi. That looks so cool. Wow, cool. You can see how that variable is the division and it causes the change in the vertical. That's really cool. That's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, I really, really like that. Okay, the other thing I was thinking about is because it's so quick to just update those blocks, and that's just because it's instance rendering. One way to do the infinite terrain, I think I had that on here. Circle packing, infinite terrain. Well, let's just write it. Comment code, yeah. Infinite terrain by simply updating blocks. Because that is so quick. We could even do that every one instead of like every 10 or so. But okay, cool. So what else do we want to do? Play Star Sector. That's an idea. Randomize the warp zone look. Let's go back because I want to get that back from where I had it before. The warp zones I found it the other day. It's right here. Try all different. And I actually have it right there on screen. Okay, so let's just look at that. Can we take away it doesn't matter. It's not blocking anything. Okay, so which one is it? So red, blue, red. Okay. And then it's 464, 5, 464, 1, 1 and 5. Let's look at the shader for that. That's in here. It's in here. Crystals, planet from texture, and mini map. Star. What's 10? I forget what 10 is. I just put it in the other day too, I'm pretty sure. I forget. Flowers. Man, it is so hot today. I've got a little ice cube thing from my freezer right here they use in shipping. And it's very, very cool. Put my hands on it real quick here. Whoo! Boy, that really cools you down real quick. Nice. Okay, oh boy, put that on your forehead. Woo! Okay. Okay, brightness factor, all that. Okay, so you know, another thing that's really cool that I wanted to do was let me look at it real quick. Oh yeah, I wanted to do a whole bunch of stuff actually. Okay, so first, because, okay, so let's see. Like, imagine this was twice the size. And then everything. So we need like a scale factor. We need a scale factor. Let's go into the planets here. This is the new one, 152, right? Yeah. So this is one thing that actually won't affect loading and saving directly, which is nice. So I can just go into the init data function and for now I can just go like this. Scale factor. Let's just call it scale F equals, let's go 2.5F. Okay. So everything that we do, we're not going to affect loading, but we will delete the file. We will delete the data file on this one. The last time I created this was yesterday, almost 24 hours ago. Oh, okay. Did I have enough caffeine yesterday? Okay, so what I want to do is open GL star color. Okay, so here's the first place I want to affect. I'm going to take this whole part right here. Actually, let's go like this. Let's pull it out. Let's pull it out right here. So then we can go star size times scale F, like that. I did make this variable, right? Okay, it's freaking out. No, now it's fine. Oh. So there we go. Okay, so that takes care of the star size. Decide how many planets, radius at which planets are generated. Okay, times the scale factor. Okay, why doesn't it... Okay, sorry, current planet radius. So planet radius will be the scale factor. I think I think that's all we have to do to affect all of the planet's radii. Cool. And then where's the planet size? Planet. So current planet, position 2D, IPA, no. Where's the points? I don't see anything for the planet size. Save index of planet for minimap SSPT. Increase radius for the next planet. Oh, so right here also. So that will increase the distance between the planets as well. That's fine. So grid size type. Okay, so let's do it right here too. Let's pull out the planet size. So the first, it's very funny, computer. So let's just go temp p size equals bum 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 bum. Whoa. Just go right here. Floopity floop. Where do you go? Okay, temp p size times scale factor. Okay, excellent. Okay, so now decide how many moons the planet has. Moon radius. Okay, so we're also going to multiply the moon radius times the scale factor. Okay. And let's do the same thing for the moon size. Gotcha. We are detecting a blip. Let's take that out of there, put it right there. Okay, so that will increase the size of the moons. It'll show a little bit more what the moons are actually made of and stuff, but... Oh, and then we multiply it back here. There. Okay, asteroid field. And we might not want to increase the size of the moons by quite so much. That's okay, we can change that bit. Okay, so radius equals 0.6 num planets times that, what? I did some funky thing right there to figure out, yeah. 0.6 plus 0.5. Let's do that. Asteroid colors, color equals that distribution, asteroid start, position, color. Okay, size right here. And this isn't that important, basically, but... temp base size, scale factor, okay. For each next asteroid. Next point position. Okay. So when I do the position here, are we? Excuse me. We've already got the radius multiplied by the the scale factor, so we don't need it a second time in here. And then the grid size type here is yeah. Now, do we need to increase the scale of the offset? Yes. There we go. Wait, don't we already have this? What did we do? Temp A size? Oh. There we go. Number of asteroids in asteroid field. Create the warp zones. Okay, number of 4 warp zones. Okay, radius. This, yeah, we'll have to scale that out. That's... Oh, what key did I hit? Okay, we're fine. Everything's fine. 96. That's an easy one then. Multiply warp zone size by scale factor. Just put it right there, and then we're good. Minimap. Oh, we're gonna leave the minimap the same position, color, and size. Minimap points, same thing. Okay, good. I think we're good. Let's see what we did. Let's see what we did. If we broke it, we broke it. You can see the mini-map's a little bit more helpful. Oh, so the distance, okay. So that's one thing. Hold on. Update data? Update data. So points through under mini-map of this. Okay, so this times the scale factor 2.5. Is the scale factor, it's specific to that. Oh, hold on. Hold on. You keep yourself there for just a second. We're going to take this scale factor and make it a class variable, more like making it global. There. You know what I think we should do? Because the planets are not showing up on the mini-map as easily now. Okay, this is cool. I still like this, it's so much fun. Look at that. So much fun. Okay, sorry. Well, let's go back here and look at stuff again. So what do the moons look like? What do the moons look like? I don't see moons. Do you see moons? Where are your moons? I don't see moons on this one. 2 planets, no moons? Let's go out here. Another one, no moons. Is this because it created the thing and then it... Let's just recreate it. Oops, what was I doing? There we go. Now we're seeing moons. Not sure what was happening. So let's go back and load again. So is it destroying the moons or what's going on? What's happening? The moons are disappearing upon load? Why? Where's your moons? Okay, so why do the moons disappear upon loading? That's not good. Oh, because when I load, I do calculate some things. Okay, that's crazy. Load data? What's this? Radius at which planets are generated? I don't think I actually use this. Do I actually use that? Why? I don't think I use that, but for the moons, is there something going on? See, the position is just directly loaded. I don't understand. Hey, what's this right here? Why are we using those? We don't appear to use those anywhere. It's just loading the positions in. So I was wrong then. So the planet radius there. Yeah, we're not using the radius. P-temp, P-temp. Number of moons. But do the warp zones show upon loading? Yeah, so it shows the warp zones, but it doesn't show the moons. Wonder if the moons are all just generating behind the planets. Well, I've lost my moons. Yeah, they look pretty cool too, actually. I think I have a better shader, excuse me, shader for the moons too. I wonder why they're not, hold on though. So what all do we load? Let's look, hold on, let's look for a second at the init function. Init data, number of planets, number of warps, real asteroid count. So number of planets. Moons sub I. Oh, do I need to populate that? I think I might need to populate that for the... We can do that. I think that's the only thing that's not done in the load function that is done. Well, how come I had no problems before? Just before I do that, let's set the scale factor to 1 and see if when we load the moons, load the solar system, it shows the moons now. No, so we're losing them and it's not based on this, and it's not, oh wait. Wait. Scale factor's already applied and saved, so. Okay, we're seeing the moons, come back out, reload. We're not seeing the moons, so it has nothing to do with the scale factor, good. So I don't think I need to actually do that though. Where's this? Oh. So when we load, do we get the asteroid?
0x29 said, what's up?
Hey dude, what's happening? Sorry about the other day, I didn't realize that my microphone wasn't on for the first part of the stream. And then somebody else came in and said, no mic, and I was like, oh, 29 probably didn't hear anything I said. So sorry about that. So yeah, the moon's just
0x29 said, NP.
Okay. So how you doing today?
0x29 said, wrote my first x86 ASM program.
Wrote your what? Oh, what? Serious? Cool. That's cool. It's been a long time since I've worked on that kind of stuff. Are you going to do anything with ASM, or are you just studying it?
0x29 said, yeah bro, feels good, I understand it.
That's awesome. So I've lost my planets and I'm trying to figure out why.
0x29 said, reverse engineering job opportunity, so I'm preparing in advance.
Really? That's cool. Shoot, I wonder why I'm losing the moons in the loading. Maybe it's in the saving. What's really weird is it's loading the moons, and then it's going on to the asteroids, and loading those just fine.
0x29 said, what about you? How's the game coming along?
Oh, pretty good, pretty good. I just, earlier, what did I do? I fixed, oh yeah, let me show you. I fixed the voxel world generation, and the slider's really cool now. Let me go to a planet and I'll land on it and show you. This is what I wanted the slider to do originally, and it just doesn't do it, but, I mean, it does now. So previously, every time I hit the B key to land on the planet, it would, even though I was landed like right now, I could hit the B key and it would mess it up.
0x29 said, oh.
But I fixed it.
0x29 said, your game is so cool, honestly, man.
Cool. Yeah, I'm working on it. I want to get it to a demo release so I can put it on Steam as an early access, and then get more feedback and start to do some mechanics and fun stuff. But yeah, this is what I was wanting to do before. See how I drag it and it just slowly morphs the terrain? That's fun. That's awesome. Oops, where'd it go? Okay. So I'm losing my moons.
0x29 said, yeah.
Isn't that cool? Okay, so let's see. Let's delete the data file. Let's see when exactly I lose my moons.
0x29 said, is it fully destructible voxels when you get there?
Previously when I did this, I started over on this project. But previously I made a separate set of voxels that were creatable and destructible. But as of now, these, I just haven't put it in yet. But yeah, you'll eventually be able to take out the terrain, put it in, because all it is just, this is a an array, so I can just delete the block from the array. Okay, so go back to
0x29 said, awesome bro.
Yeah, in the middle key I've got where you can pick up the block of the one. I gotta fix say the hovering. Okay, the asteroids are pretty cool. I have another idea for the
said, pretty advanced stuff there.
I have another idea for the asteroid belt too, because I was watching some Code and Train. I'll show you. The circle packing.
My name.
See, I was thinking, computer, I just paused it. I was thinking I could set the, see, he did it for the numbers and stuff with an image as the background, but I could set it as like, for my asteroid belt, it's basically just a circle or an ellipse or whatever, arc or whatever. And then I could just set that as the generation area for the circle packing. Only instead of circles, I'll put the little asteroids in there.
0x29 said, oh yeah.
Isn't that cool? That'll be a cool asteroid belt, I think. Okay.
0x29 said, 100%.
So now I got to figure out which one of these class planets I modified.
0x29 said, I gotta go bro, 3 a.m. here, need to wake up in 7 hours.
Oh wow, that's crazy, man. Have a good night.
0x29 said, take care bro,
You're
too.
Doing
Great.
Thank you. Good show on the ASM. Keep it up. That's awesome. And have a good sleep. Glad to see you. So I have to figure out which one of these, where did I go wrong? Where did I lose my
0x29 said,
moons?
thanks to.
Absolutely. Keep in touch. Come see me again. Come see me again. Okay, then there's that idea. Yeah, added palette of 5 random colors. So I don't remember changing the saving and loading too much. I don't understand why the moons are not loading. Loop through the moons. Excuse me. So it reads the number of moons. Okay, let's try this. Right here. If I could type, which I can't. Planet number is going to be what? I. Number of moons is number of moons. And then we'll see. Because it could just be getting a 0, but I don't understand. I think it's getting the right numbers. And then... Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. I think I just figured it out. In my brain. Hold on, scroll down, show me, where's it at? I think I figured it out. Yep, here it is, because the color is here. Okay, so I added this when I changed the way the moons are displayed, that's why. Hold the phone, Jeff. So now when we go to save data, okay, Hold the phone, Jeff. Number of moons. Loop through the moons. Save the moon position. Okay, so... save the moon color. Okay, and then by the same token, we need to go into the load function and load. Boy, loading and saving. And then between the position and the GST. Okay, so let's just copy that. Let's copy the GST because it's a vector 3. Oh, and that's it. Okay. Yay. Okay. So I don't think we need to do anything. I think it'll work right away because everything's fine. That's why the... Uh-oh. Computer. No. What's it doing? It's broken. Whoa. Close the program, please. Computer, get that white screen off the screen. Get it off the screen. What are we doing? So what happened there? Well, let's reinitialize and say because the colors, everything might be messed up. So there, we don't need that. Let's go like that. Let's delete the data file. Because if it wasn't saving and loading, then there's no telling what data is. That's probably it. Okay, all right. All right, freaking out. Stop freaking out. Hopefully it won't crash from some leftover. Okay, it's good. Kablam. Oh, hey, we got the moons. Okay, that's cool. Now, the other thing I was just thinking about, because I mean, the moons are okay, but I remember I did an actual, this one's good, but let's go to another one. Let's go to another video that I made. Because I want the moons to be cool. And eventually we could have a bunch of different kinds, but it's a ways away. It's a while ago that I did this. Hold on. Go past all this weird AI stuff. It was a really cool shader. Cool shader in the shade. Okay. Ooh, those are cool too. That'd be cool to have like a Borg type of a moon planet or something. Alright, you're a freak, Jeff. Here they are, open rotating bobbing balls. Okay, that was one of them. Those would be cool, maybe for the star. We could do some cool stuff there too, but... Kablam, I think it was even before that, yeah, so it's back here. Right here. Cutting the pie, yeah, okay, so right here. OpenGL circles 3, so let's just look at this. Muted. Full screen so I can see the project. Okay, which one is it? First point, circle smooth step 4. Okay, that's all I need to know. First point, circle smooth step. Main first point 1. Circle smooth step 4. Polar, okay, that's fine. So it's right here, first point to FS. I think it's got to be down there. First point to FS. And here we are. This is it. Rings radius thickness. So we have just the circle. Okay, cool. So we can copy this function. UV, R, TH, C, color, fill, okay, whatever. Multiplier, radians, that's for rotation, which we're not going to use. Rings equals that, D equals that and that, okay. Excuse me, I held the microphone away for that one too. Okay, so I don't want to change this just right now, but I want to change it eventually. So we're gonna go like this. Wait, can I reopen that one? Okay, go right there, just copy that out of there. That's all I want. Let's go into the game dev 005. Okay. So randomize. Let's put it in here because it's going to go for the planets. New moon look. Shader from there. Shader first. pt2.fs. There, so the new moon look, I want that to be my moon look. Okay. And then the 142 we fixed, saving and loading of moon, since the rendering depends on, since the shader depends on color. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. How long have we been streaming? Almost an hour. Okay, and then the asteroids, yeah. Okay. This part is really cool. Let's go here. That's just fun, not gonna lie. Okay, the other thing I wanted to do right now is adjust the mini-map. So that's in here. Okay, so I think that the only time we need to do that, compute minimap chords. Okay, so let's find that. Compute minimap chords. Oh, you know all we have to do, I think, is go to that function. So convert the point position plus divided by 4 times. Okay, so there's the math right there. That I past me came up with. So let's just okay, so 4 was what I used before, and then the scale factor is, oh, we can actually just put that in here on both variables like that. That should do it. What? No, now I don't see any of them. But that could just be because of the way that it, yeah. Let's take that out too. Let's delete the data file and start over, because that could be the issue. No. We don't see anything now. Oh, look at that cool planet. Oh. Oh, maybe the scale factor goes here. Oh, I see. Wait, so does this work? Okay. Hold on, hold on. So if the points position minus the points minimap I, so we need to go to the place where it's using this minimap I. Where is... Oh, this is the init. Okay. Well, that feels good. I got this ice cube right next to me pretty much. Okay, compute minimap coordinates. Color GST, minimap stuff I equals. Oh, I see. So this is actually the thing right here. So it's the position. Wait, so it is working. It's just that... Yeah, it's just that they're so far out. Do you want to make the minimap bigger? Hold on. Let's move the position slightly higher, so 0.55. And then also out from the... And then make it bigger. Hold up. Oh, wait. We can make it even bigger. But then right here, or wait, so then when we compute the minimap coordinates, oh, it gets the minimap. Oh, okay, cool. Good show past me. Okay, that's bigger, so we can widen this out. Let's try that. Yeah, that looks good. It does take up a significant portion of the screen, but that's okay. Hold on, let's bring it up just slightly. A little more. A little more. There we go. Nice. Dun, 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 dun. That would be a good idea to do. Okay, well, that's really cool. And then this. Oh, class planets 140. And a 20110. There, I'll just put a note on that video. And then we'll save this in Twitch feed. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to end the stream. Thanks very much, everybody, for tuning in. See you next time or later tonight.